The Detroit Axle 10-piece front-end suspension kit is specifically designed to enhance the performance of vehicles like the Buick Enclave, Chevy Traverse, and GMC Acadia. This comprehensive kit includes crucial components such as 2 lower control arms, 4 outer and inner tie rods, and 2 sway bar links, ensuring a thorough upgrade of your vehicle's suspension system. Detroit Axle's suspension components are built to withstand the demands of both foreign and domestic passenger vehicles, trucks, and sport utility vehicles. Each product undergoes rigorous impact, wear, and fatigue testing to guarantee high quality and durability, offering reliable performance over time. The kit is backed by an impressive 10-year warranty, which provides peace of mind and reflects the manufacturer's confidence in their product's longevity. With a solid reputation in the automotive industry, Detroit Axle delivers a suspension kit that enhances driving comfort and vehicle stability.